people, you're welcome back to my channel, Cherish Cocoa. In today's video I'll be showing you how to cook pepper soup, delicious pepperish pepper soup. Alright, so I'll be using pomo, beef and liver. These are the three items I'll be using for this pepper soup. So let's get right to it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
So guys, my meat has been washed and I'll be transferring the meat into the pot. After this, I'll be adding some water and I'm going to be covering it to boil for just 10 minutes or just 10 minutes. As long as it has boiled, you off your stove and you drain off the water. Alright guys, I'm going to off the stove and bring out the meat from the water, and I'm going to throw the water away. Alright, before we move on to the next step. So I'm going to bring out all the meat from the water and I'm going to go ahead and throw the water away.
I need today, I promise that I've never.
Let's set the meat aside and we're going to be using green pepper and 4 medium onions and 4 medium garlic and ginger. Alright, so I'll go ahead and blend them and add the meat into another pot. Then I'm going to add some pepper soup ingredients. The ingredients in this pepper soup nylon is complete. Alright, so you don't have to add anything again. The ingredient is complete.
As you fade away.
So I've already added my thyme. I'm adding my curry now. And I'm going to be using 4 cubes of nor.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If you're still.
Now I'm adding some salt to it, and I'll be using a powder seasoning also, a Maggi powder seasoning for the pepper soup. Alright, so I've added the Maggi powder seasoning. Go ahead and add the pepper to it and add some water and cover the pot and allow it to boil for 1 hour or 30 minutes. As long as your beef is soft, your pepper soup is ready, okay? The beef is the main thing that has to be soft before you turn on your stove. Alright, so just cover it up and let it boil for some minutes. Can be 30 minutes, can be 20 minutes. It depends on the meat you're using. So I'm going to go ahead and cover the pot and let it boil. So guys, it's time to check it out. Alright, the pepper soup is boiling now and I've tasted it. The ingredients are all perfect. The salt is enough, the Maggi is enough, and the pepper soup ingredient is a wow. It smells so nice. Honestly, the pepper soup ingredient is very complete. It's very complete. Alright, but the meat is not yet done, so I'll still go ahead and leave it. I'll cover it for a while until it's all done. At this point, you can add your leaf to it. Or I do not have the beef because it's a festive period and I couldn't get the beef. Alright, so I just use the main ingredient in the pepper soup sachet. Alright, so just cover it up until it's done. pepper soup is done, and this is the result of the pepper soup. And the meat is soft, the pomo is soft, and the liver is soft. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and hit the like button. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. I love you and see you soon on my next video.